Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll explore the Data Model Console, which is part of Reltio Identity 360. The Data Model Console is one of many UI configuration options available in the Reltio platform. I access this via the chocolate bar on the top right, clicking on Console. This launches the console in a new window. Notice all the various configuration options here. The one that we're interested in right now is the data modeler in the top center. Clicking on this launches the data modeler UI. This UI specifically manages entity types, relationship types, and sources for us. For Identity 360, these are read-only. Clicking on the entity of individual in this scenario opens up all of the attributes, match rules, relationship types, validation functions, and roles associated with this entity. Note the list of attributes below. All of these in read-only mode as an end user. The match rules are displaying all the pre-configured rules that are trying to identify duplicates within the Identity 360 instance. Notice when I click on one, I can see the specifics of a particular rule, which conditions are being used, which type of operators, etc. Notice too all the various relationship types that are pre-configured, allowing me to link an individual to other individuals. No validation functions and/or roles in this particular scenario. So once again, the Data Modeler console is my read-only view in Identity 360 into entities, relationships, and pre-configured data sources. I hope you enjoyed this short tour of the Reltio Data Model console. In order to sign up for your free instance of Reltio Identity 360, please go to reltio.com/Reltio Identity 360 free tier request.